I'm Shreya and welcome back to Sat Soul. And today we're going to do a DIY where we're going to paint an old bottle. So this is my old worn out bottle and we're going to use acrylics for this. But for the base we're going to use enamel paint, and you'll learn why is enamel paint necessary for the base rather than just starting with acrylics. So this is how the final product will be. You can use this as your brush stand or just as a showpiece or whichever way you like. So let's get started. So let's see what all do we require. The first thing of course is a bottle. Here I'm using a plastic bottle. Then we require some brushes. Here you have to make sure that you use separate brushes for your watercolors as well as your acrylics, because if you use same brushes then the bristles of acrylic brushes generally become a little harder than normal brushes. So when you use them for your watercolors again, the flow might not be the same. Enamel painting, you have to use an entirely different brush which you do not use for your watercolors as well as your acrylics, because the brush becomes really hard if you do not clean it properly. As I have this one brush which I used for my enamel and then I forgot to clean it. You can see it is so hard that the bristles don't even move a centimeter. So this is just a waste now. So make sure that you clean the brush properly after you use it with enamel. I use kerosene oil to clean the brush after using it with enamel paint. And for the enamel paint I am using this British Paints Glow Advanced Enamel, which is ultra white. And why we have to use this enamel paint instead of just moving ahead with acrylics, you'll learn it further in the video. Then acrylic colors, I'm using Fevicryl. These are Fevicryl fabric colors or acrylic colors. These are 20 ml bottles. Or you can also use these Camel acrylic colors. Or you can just buy one pack of colors and then add on whatever color you require. The brushes that you use for your acrylic colors can be normally cleaned with water and a rag, but there is one pro tip that you will learn further in the video.
So the first thing is to paint the base with enamel, and why we have to apply this enamel layer is because if we go with acrylic straight away, then when they dry they might get peeled off from their surface because this is plastic. So basically the enamel acts as an adhesive between the plastic and the acrylic paint. This enamel paint takes a lot of time to dry, so it might take more than 24 hours too. So please be patient and do not hurry for going to the draw layer. So once it's completely dried up, you can give an outline of whatever you want to make on your bottle with a permanent marker. And now it's time to add colors to all the area. So starting with the background, I've added turquoise blue to the background. And similarly I've started to add color to the girl that I initially outlined with the marker, and further on adding more details to the same. So the pro tip for acrylic colors is that if you have bought a bottle of acrylic paint which is about of 20 ml, then you might not use the entire paint in one go, and the next time when you open it, it might have been dried up too. So to avoid that situation, you have to make sure that you use a dry brush while doing acrylic painting. We have to not dilute the paint as we used to do in watercolors. Here there is no role of dilution. You have to directly apply the paint and just use water to clean your brush. And once you clean your brush with water, make sure that you dry it up properly with your rag and then put that brush back in the bottle of paint. Yes, you can give some extra details with your marker, and then voila, we are done.
I hope you enjoyed the video and now you have your own transformed bottle. You can share that with me on my Instagram account @SathSoul, and I would love to see what all you have created. Make sure that you hit the like button and share it with your friends who would love it too. And subscribe for more videos. See you next time. Until then, take care.